Oh my gosh, you guys, this is one of the worst rat infestations I've ever seen. Stay tuned. Jim, my wife is a hoarder, and there must be over 100 rats that are inside this house. So he did not send me any photos. I have no idea what I'm walking into. I don't even know if I should have taken on this job. Anthony and Brian are about to show up. They have no idea what they're about to walk into as well as to how bad the situation is. All I can say, this is gonna be a wild one. Let me give you a glimpse here. Here's the window. As you can see, the amount of debris here that's right up against the window with rat grease and droppings. Look at that wrapper. The hoarding is one thing, but how are the rats getting into this home is the other, and we're about to find out before I take you inside. I'm gonna walk up to the door and see if I get a sense of any rodent smell. Because typically, when it's a massive rat infestation on top of the hoarding, the odor just literally off-gasses all the way out to the city street. Check out our video where we did the airsoft gun. That reeked when we literally were parked outside of the street. I'm not getting that here. I can't wait to show you guys on the other side of this door. It's going to be wild. All right, the owner left me the key, so I'm gonna take a quick peek. I have a lot of adrenaline going on right here, so I gotta take a deep breath, take one step at a time, and first and foremost, let's figure out how the rats are getting in. Then we can discuss trapping. But I got some ideas. Because here's the thing, when a house is vacant like this, sitting for a long time, there's no water in the P-traps, so it could be the sewer rat, and it also could be the roof rat. What's up, guys? So we gotta figure out how the rats are getting into this house. Okay. The cool thing about this house is that it's vacant, and we get to stay here tonight.
What?
Yeah, no hotel. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm always down to save some money.
I want to go around the house and figure out all the entry points, get the smoke machine, and then we'll go inside the house. I can't wait to see the reaction of Anthony and Brian when they walk in. Their jaws are going to be in awe. Anthony's already on the hunt while he's eating his lunch, you guys. I know. Look at that. That's the first hole. Oh, let's have a bet. Let's see how many holes we can find around the house. So that's number one for you.
Okay.
Look at. All right, it's time to get up on the roof and inspect from the rooftop all the way down to the ground level. Definitely a lot of animal poop up here on this little roof valley here. All the pipes. This is rancid, you guys. So right off the bat on this roof, 1, 2, 3, 4 holes right off the bat. Just a runway for any type of animal. Wildlife is taking over this house for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and take our rodent stoppers stainless steel wire mesh and start excluding some of these holes while we're already up here. And it's supposed to get super hot and it's still early, so I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of the weather right now. Then we'll come up and start doing the smoke test. If you are gonna do exclusion work on the roof overlaps, our stainless steel wire mesh is an absolute game changer, you guys. All right, so he's taking the rodent stopper stainless steel wire mesh, packing it inside, and then we're gonna take spray foam inside there and just really cover that hole there so that you don't sense any airflow. It looks like Anthony's taking a nap underneath the roof overlap. Oh, there we go. You guys are literally gonna be shocked what's below me. It's gonna blow you away. So now we've got the rat caps. If you're a pest controller and you do exclusion work, these rat caps are absolutely a game changer and, more importantly, a time saver. It's literally count all the vents, one size fits all. 4, 3, 2, and even 1.5 inches. And that's all you do. Brian likes to talk to himself, you guys, while he's working. He talks to himself a lot. Do you think it's kind of weird, or do you think it's just he's happy? Here, watch. Shh.
Majestic. Look that word up. Majestic. Name of Jesus Christ.
Now, Brian, as he's doing the exclusion, is asking, are we really going to stay here? Because he's wondering if he should start bringing in his suitcases and stuff like that. I was like, let's just hold off. Let's get all of the exclusion done, especially with this hot sun. Then we can decide on which bedroom he's going to choose. So I can't wait. I want you guys to be part of the walkthrough to determine which room Brian and Anthony are gonna stay in. Now we're headed to the backyard. Can't imagine kids living here. What?
Why those pipes
This is the water main, you guys, and look at the water is off. That's why all of the vents smell, because they're inside the sinks peeing droppings and they're falling into the pee traps, so we're getting all of the off gas that's going in. It's going to be super interesting to see the showers, the sinks, the toilets, the tubs. We're about to go inside, guys. Here we go. Now is the time. We're going to be going inside. We definitely have to get suited up for this one. Quiet. Quiet. Let's head upstairs. Gotta get up inside that attic. It's cleaner up here.
On a disposable camera.
I wish I could share the history, you guys, but it was a very short conversation. He signed the agreement. He left the key and basically said his wife was a massive hoarder. So I didn't ask a lot of questions. I just here to do my job. But I wish I can share the story because there's so many things that are going through my mind as I journey through this rubbish here. It's absolutely amazing. It's shocking to be in it.
Later that same evening.
Okay, we are back. Sun is dropping down. I want to provide you an update. Anthony and Brian stayed here while I went to go get some supplies and go grab lunch. Well, they went ahead and took it upon themselves to go inside and do some more exploring. And they texted me and called me saying, Jimmy, there's 3 rats that we've seen. They're definitely in here. And there's a big one, especially in the laundry room. So they went to go get ammoed up. We're waiting for everything to sort of settle down, get a little dark, and then we're gonna go in there. Let's do it. Let's do it. We are back, and each one of us has some guns with fully ammo. Let's head back in. We're gonna plug these bad babies in. I have an idea. We were sent these rodent repellent devices, and you plug them into the wall, and supposedly they have the most agitating, auxiliating waves that's supposed to irritate bugs and roaches and rodents. So if I plug these in and they work, we should see rodents literally start scurrying away. Now, mind you, we've sealed all the holes, so they have nowhere to go. So I'm gonna use these. We're gonna put them to the test. Let's go inside. Hold on. We can hear them in the ceilings, you guys. There's a big animal up above.
Right there. Right behind you. Check right there. Oh. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, right here. Right here. Boom. Go to the laundry room.
Take everything out.
Yeah, but look, we just lost him again though.
Yeah, it's really hard.
I think if we just keep picking shit up, more are gonna come out.
Yeah. As you can see here, we are struggling, guys. These rats are way too quick for the amount of content. This reminds me when we did a collaboration with the Meat Man. Check this out. You could even witness right here where Meat Man's dogs are having a challenging time getting a hold of these rats, especially in a hoarder house type environment. These rats with their agile bodies and most of all, their long tails, it provides them the best balance for them to be able to maneuver through all of this debris. In addition, they can squeeze through tight spaces that we can't get to. On top of that, we're probably not the best shots either.
Good job, Leia.
Yeah, this is impossible. It's just, we're gonna have to talk to the owner and come up with a different strategy. Okay, we are back the next morning. Unfortunately, we didn't have any shots last night. These rats were super fast going through all of that content. So I have an idea this morning, and that's the last thing we're going to be doing, because I gave the homeowner a quote to remove, sanitize with our Twinzyme, and he just doesn't have the budget. He says he's going to take that on himself. So I have an amazing, hopefully it will help. We're going to do something that I've never done before. In fact, I've got to call the fire department and forewarn them, because we're gonna smoke this entire house. And with all of the holes out there, smoke can literally come out through all of the wall cavities, the roof, and I don't want the neighbors to be alerted. And then we've got a fire team over here thinking that there's a fire. So as you can see, Brian and Anthony are prepping the door. So we're gonna be placing our 6 mil plastic there, and then we're gonna inject this bad baby and get these rats completely comatose. They're gonna die.
Fire department, I can help you.
Hey, this is Jim with Twin Home Experts, and we're gonna be performing a smoke test.
Oh, sure. Hold on 1 second. Let me get that in. Alrighty, sounds good.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Got that done. Now we're ready to... I'm kind of thinking that the rats are gonna be kind of like going through the content, going, gosh, what's going on, you know? There's a 12 pack. Where are we? See? Where are we? Very good actors. Wow. Well guys, we smoked them out. Now it's all up to the customer to go in and get everything out, sanitize. He is requesting to get the Twinzyme, so we're gonna go ahead and send him his order. Once he has everything done, he can utilize that as a deodor, disinfectant, and really revitalize that house. It's gonna be super interesting. Maybe I can get some photos with him on the transformation, and hopefully you like this episode. Hit the subscribe button, guys. We're really trying to grow our channel. That really helps the algorithm. Hit the like if you want more content like this. And Dave, this definitely deserves the rat dance.
Again. Another successful rat extermination. Job solved. We will see you on the next one. Another successful rat extermination. Job solved. We will see you.